Good morning and welcome to episode 1 of BTHQ Banter. By the time you are seeing this video, it will now officially be 2019, although actually it is only Friday, the 28th of December. Now, I don't know about you, but at this time of year, I completely and utterly lose track of the days. I can cope with the dates, but the days just seem to go out of the window. We've had a lovely Christmas away with the family. We got back yesterday, and today I am back to work. I say work, but what happens at BTHQ in between Christmas and New Year is really nothing but fun. So today at BTHQ, it is our annual between Christmas and New Year get together. We do this every year on normally, oh, bright light, sorry. Normally the Thursday or Friday, depending how Christmas falls, between Christmas and New Year. The idea being is that those of our customers who have children or are perhaps on their own and want to just get together between Christmas and New Year, just have some time out for themselves and do a bit of crafting, they can come along to the studio and just get together with everybody else. So often the mums have got the dads at home, they're not normally at work, so they can leave the children and escape for a few hours peace, and those people that are perhaps on their own at Christmas can come and meet and get together with others. So that's all we're doing today. We will get all the vintage china out, which is always very nice, for lots of tea and coffee, and I'm sure people will bring mince pies and chocolate and leftovers from Christmas, and we're just going to have a generally lovely crafty day. And I've got some flat pack to assemble.
I'm just seeing how fast it will go.
It's the first yarn being wound on the BTHQ winder. Jane has graduated the BTHQ Yarn Winding Training Academy.
Do I get a certificate?
Oh no, you just get a lovely caked skein of yarn.
Oh my god, that is awesome. Love it.
Isn't it beautiful? So you've just spent the last 4 hours hand stitching the binding.
Yeah. Wow.
Gorgeous.
It's been standing up on the landing for a month. Put some jewels on it.
Hand sewing at its finest.
Intellectual llamas.
Intellectual llamas.
What makes them intellectual?
They've all got glasses on, so they're clearly highly intelligent.
I've also got this big box here that I need to open. This is my Christmas present from my mum and dad. I have a feeling I know what it is, but I think I might open it tomorrow. The lounge is looking nice. Super cozy. So everyone's gone home and I'm now going to go home too, because child number 3 has been officially struck down. So sick buckets at the ready. It's time to be mummy. So it's Saturday the 29th, and after yesterday's furious flat pack building of a toy box stroke coffee table, I now have the lounge completely and utterly finished, which means on the 29th, which is today, we are having our grand opening. I've just put a shout out on Facebook and said if anyone wants to come in and use the space, then they are more than welcome. But before everybody turns up, let me show you around. Here you have it. Our lovely cozy couch. 2 rattan armchairs. There's a little stool under there that will pull out if anyone wants an extra seat. We've got our coffee table, which is also a toy box, so that can be full of yarn. It's not at the moment. And then our winding area, so you can wind your skeins. And this also forms like a little reception for me, so I've got the phone and the credit card machine and the visitor's book. So before I was rudely interrupted by my phone, this is now the new kind of customer service area, so you can pay for your classes. If you ring us, we can answer the phone. There's leaflets and obviously all of your crochet hooks, knitting needles and everything that you might need. while you are enjoying your time in our new lounge. So it's Saturday morning and I am currently sitting in our new lounge, which I have finished this week. Today is the official grand opening day of the lounge. I don't know if anyone's actually going to turn up. It was a very sporadic event. I just popped on Facebook a few days ago and said, I'm going to be at BTHQ. If you want to come down and sit in the lounge and do some knitting and crochet, then you are more than welcome. So if people come, who knows? But I have filmed a completely separate video on this lounge. It is a brand new space here at BTHQ. It used to be my office, and I've converted my office into a lounge and my stockroom into the office, and it's been a whirlwind busy couple of weeks over the Christmas period, moving furniture and sorting things out. So I've done a completely separate video on that, which I'll upload onto the channel in the next few days. So it is now 9:45. I'm going to make myself some breakfast and a cup of tea, and then I have plans for the day. I'm going to re-sew a bag that I've designed because I've thought of a few little tweaks that I want to make to it, and get the instructions nailed down for that so that I can record it as an online course. And then I'm hoping Maddie's going to come in and she's going to help me work out the final pattern for toile number 3 of my Fit for 40 dress. We'll see how we go. Good morning. How are you? Alright.
Look. I bought all 10 balls in that bowl.
Oh, nearly, Claire. You silly girl.
They had 3 or 4 balls.
Look who's just sewn their zip tab on before pulling their zip through. Nupty! Maddie's just arrived and she's been shopping.
Oh no, don't!
Why don't what? Have you spent too much money?
I went in for. Surely not.
That's what you went in for.
That's what I went in for.
And what did you come out with?
I came in with that.
Is there a sale on?
Yes. But only the wool was in the sale. Uncommon things.
Maddie is making this with this. Oh my god. She is way more talented than me. When your clients arrive and they bring you homemade rhubarb gin, you can tell they know me super well. Is it too early?
If you drive in, yes.
Woo! Yeah. Oh my gosh. That tastes like sweets.
I still can't find the stuff that I'm looking for though at home. Can you not? I found them. Good, bad? I haven't tasted one yet.
That's delicious.
Right.
In fact, I forgot to show you yesterday another present from another client. Damson and Sloe gin. Yeah. We've had loads of people visit today. Give us a wave, ladies. Ooh. We've even got new faces. These ladies have visited us. Elspeth's busy sewing. What are you making? Oh, the intelligent llama. Intellectual llama dress.
I don't know whether they're intelligent, but they're certainly intellectual.
What's that, Elspeth?
Intellectual llamas.
It's very pretty.
It's good. They're very, very clever.
Can you tell?
Ooh. It's even better with jeans underneath, not.
Jeans and trainers.
Jeans and trainers. But actually the trainers go with the dress.
It's very nice. I like it. What a crazy day. So many people came in to see us for the lounge opening, which was fantastic. Everybody's gone now except Maddie. She's next door sewing. I have finally finished my redraft of my new project bag. This still hasn't got a proper name. It's a pin badge bag. So the idea is that you can put your enamel pins on it, and the pin backs don't come through to the inside. I've finished all the sewing anyway. Let me turn you around, hang on. Finished all the sewing of it. It's massive, but it's got a big zip on the inside here, so you can get your hand in between the linings, and then it's got channels here which are going to be for draw cords, but I can't put the draw cords in because I haven't got any cord in a colour that matches. I've just got bright colours, so I think I need to buy some burgundy cord and then I'll get that finished. And this is going to be an in-person class, but also an online class as well, and it's absolutely huge. It's perfect for putting jumper projects, sweater projects or blanket projects in when it all draws up, and you can have all your pin badges on the outside. So I'm going to start on my toile number 3 from my 40 for 40 dress now. So I'm going to get my ultimate skirt and my bodice, tape it all together and try and make a dress pattern. Do you actually know what you're doing here, Maddie?
Why does it just look like a flock of birds?
It's like a sewing aviary. I'm glad you know what you're doing, I don't. So it is 4:10. It's bye-bye BTHQ. I will see you in the new year. How scary is that? The lights are still on though, because Maddie is still in there putting the finishing touches to her coat. I will see her in the new year too. Good morning, it's Wednesday. BTHQ Banter was supposed to be basically my life, my sewing life, my crafty life, and a lot of the studio based activities. And I've realised you're not going to get a lot of it this week. So today I should have been going into work, it's Wednesday, and filming project 3 of our sewing club tutorial, but I have been struck down with the lurgy. Mr. Mac and the kids both had tonsillitis. All of them, all 3 of them had tonsillitis over Christmas, and I avoided it because I have no tonsils, or so I thought. Visit to the doctors this morning confirms that my left hand tonsil has indeed grown back. So according to Izzy, I have half tonsillitis, and I was informed that quite often the tissue doesn't go completely when they take away tonsils, and they can regenerate. So I'm also part-time Lord, it would appear. So I'm back home. The kids have gone to mum's because it's Wednesday. She normally has them on a Wednesday. They're not back to school. Izzy's not back to school till tomorrow. And I am going to have to go into work because I've had lots of orders over the New Year period for our online courses and kits. So I'm going to have to do a post office run, package those up and send those off. But I'm going to stay at home until after lunch. Get some tablets in me, drink plenty of tea and catch up on YouTube, and then pop into work later on this afternoon. So apologies if you don't get much BTHQ Banter for BTHQ Banter Week 1. But as far as classes are concerned, we kick off again properly on Tuesday the 8th of January. So there should be lots of creative activity in next week's episode. Still feel like death, but I've made it into work. I'm going to print off the orders, package them up and go straight back to my bed. If only I could pack orders that quickly in real life. So all I've got left to do now is to put all of those people into the Facebook group. They will all learn to crochet courses and kits that are going out for our boot camp that starts on the 7th of January. So lots of new people obviously wanting to learn new things in the new year, which is good for us. So they'll all go into the Facebook group, and then I'm going to go home and get back into my bed. You won't see me tomorrow. It's Thursday and it's my day off, and I plan, if I can muster the energy to get my house sorted, and then I can be back into work making again on Friday. So that's over and out for today. I'll see you later. Morning all, so it's Thursday. I know I said yesterday that you wouldn't see me again, but I thought I should probably come on and wrap up BTHQ Banter because I've realised that it's editing day already, editing day of the first week of BTHQ Banter. Part of me this morning thought, do you know what, I won't do it. I won't release it this week. I'll wait and I'll do a week where I am actually crafty and sewy all week. But then the other part of me, was kind of like devil and angel on my shoulder, said, no Claire, you've got to be honest. The whole idea of BTHQ Banter is that it's a weekly vlog that is honestly going to show how much creativity you can have or do. And you know, people get sick, things come to bite us in the bum, and as a working mum, I have to balance my time between mum and work and obviously me. So I'm going to switch the camera off now. I'm going to edit BTHQ Banter. I'm going to upload it. So you'll be watching this on Friday morning. It'll be week 1 BTHQ Banter. And I can already tell you that week 2 isn't going to include much crafting either, because I've just looked at my diary. It's my birthday on Saturday and it's a big birthday. So there will be some crafting happening on that day, and then I do have 2 or 3 classes to teach next week, so there will be a little bit of BTHQ Banter, but we're still not back in the swing of things properly until the following week. But it's nice, I think, that you can get to see us gradually getting back to normal at BTHQ and seeing how my creativity gets busier as the year progresses. No, nonsense. I know what I mean. Hopefully you do too. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this week of BTHQ Banter. Stick with it. I think it's going to get better. I know it's going to get better. So stick with it. We'll be back again same time next week. So Friday morning. See you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.